Hello again, everyone, and welcome back to the final video of this series. I'm so proud of you for making it to this step. You now have a fully standing garden filled with all the fruits, vegetables, flowers, or anything else you could have ever imagined. Now it's time to share your garden with the world. You have a couple of options for this step, and you're not limited to these ideas. But you could do like me and start your own garden club to help you sustain your garden. You could maybe invite your friends over for a tea party. Or you could share it on social media, like my advisor did for this project. There's so many options. All you have to do is choose one and execute. If you choose to sustain your garden by using a garden club, here's how you can do it in 3 easy steps. 1. Decide the purpose of your garden club. For you could even do this before you start your garden. Your garden club could actually be used to help you take your garden idea from paper to real life. But for my school's garden, the garden club was created to help manage the plants and get a student's perspective on how the garden should be run. Then, invite your friends and other community members to join. Next, host regular meetings and work with the members to figure out how they can best help you make your garden a success. Congratulations! You have just finished Gardening 101. And before we end, I just want to give a big thank you to everybody who helped me get to this point in my Gold Award project. Your support is much appreciated. And the support of you, the person watching this video right now, is much appreciated as well. I hope that you watch these videos and come away with all the tools you need to create your very own impactful garden that can fight against all of the issues that we've talked about, like loneliness and food insecurity. I hope you enjoy your garden for years and years to come, and that it will fulfill all the hopes and dreams you have for it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer all of them. Awesome job. Thanks.